Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Jasmine Ara, pursuing BA second sem with bearing roll number 75 with English and social methodologies. Today in English, pedagogy of English, my seminar is on resources in a dictionary. Resources in a dictionary. Dictionary makes an active contribution to the learners of English as a foreign or second language. It provides it provides students an excellent opportunity to study for private study just the same way as a textbook does. I would like to show you today the resources available in Oxford Advanced Learning Dictionary. What are the parts of a dictionary? I would like to show you an example of dictionary word has shown in the dictionary. Has the word library. The library is a head word and the word's pronunciation is given as library, and the parts of speech is given as noun, and particularly a word definition is given and the number is shown many. The number has shown the many definitions a word have. And we have a similar sample sentences and phrases under the definition, and the picture is given as an illustration of the word. We have nouns has plural and also singular. This is a part of the dictionary. You can see over here also. Part of a dictionary. Head word, pronunciation, parts of speech, example sentences, translations, cross references. I would like to show you what is a head word. Head word is printed in the bold type with meanings, definition, pronunciation, examples of usage. These are the examples as shown over here also and here also. We have phonetic translations, pronunciations of the word in the dictionary. We have compound and idiomatic expressions in the dictionary. As I would like to show you an example, the word is given with a definite meaning and a picture is given, and under that we have some sentences related to that, and idioms is also given related to the word. What are compound nouns? Second, the two different words makes a new word. As an example, sea plus food, it makes in seafood. Ice plus cream is equal to ice cream. There are more examples related to that word. Example phrases and sentences are in italics. Italics is nothing but the importance of the word, the subject is being shown in the lighter form. I would like to show you this. He had managed to eat 10 cookies. The 10 is written a little slightly lighter than the other letters. In dictionary, the nouns are given in singular and plural forms. Examples of singular and plural forms: a man and two men. The examples are given in such way that all the head words are given in singular and plural forms also. We have comparative and superlative words in sentences given in that. Comparative and superlative degrees words are also given in the sentences. The examples of these, I would like to tell you one of the example. This blue suitcase is smaller than the red one. The smaller than, it is nothing but comparatively the comparison of the two different things. Then in superlative, it has been I would like to show you one example. The quickest way is down the path. We are being given the easier forms of this. Other examples have been given. Negative and interrogative sentences are also given. I would like to show you some examples of this. They have a car in the present tense. In negative sense, they don't have a car. In interrogative sentences, they do they have a car? The other examples have been shown. American spellings are followed by the British spellings. In United States, COLOR, color is being pronounced with a different spelling. But in UK, it is COLOUR. But the pronunciation of the both the words are same. And other as CENTER, center. But in this UK, it is CENTERE, center. The other examples are here. Illustration describes vocabulary in the form of pictures, photographs, diagrams of the shapes, and technical diagrams. General American pronunciation and general British pronunciation are also given in the dictionary. There are list of irregular verbs, common abbreviations, affixes, numerical expressions, weights and measures, and geographical names and common forenames, etc. are provided. Hope we all use the best way to learn English in our life. Thank you.